This is a 2017 QUASER MC184E 3-axis CNC machine going up for auction. Right now it's cutting apart. It's got the 4th axis, which is slaved to the Fanuc series OI MF controls. We'll take you for a tour around the machine. In great shape. Has automatic tool changer. Here's your tool changing carousel. Chip conveyor. Also has a chip blaster. Here's the machine ID plaque. Model MV184E/12B, serial number 118M171897, Fanuc 0IMF controls. This is a 2017, December 2017. In very, very good condition. Chip blaster. As you can see, this machine runs very quiet, or as you can hear. Did have a lot of aluminum. I was just going to swing right around to the front. Running the program right now. There's your 4th axis. Also has a Renashaw laser probe. Should be getting a tool change momentarily here on this program. Good solid precision spindle. I believe QUASER was the OEM for Mazak. And here we go with the tool change. And back to the next machining process. So this is it, 2017 QUASER MV184E 3-axis CNC machining center. Going up for auction.